Welcome dear students. Today we shall discuss in our class fractions and decimals, exercise 2.4 of class 7 mathematics. So topic of the day is division of fractions. Division of fractions. First of all, what is the meaning of division of fractions? Let us try to understand this with one example. Suppose I want to divide one complete whole number by 1 divide 1 upon 3. So what is the geometrical meaning of this? Suppose I have one complete circle. Okay, this complete circle is divided into 3 equal parts. So this way, 3 equal parts. So each part is equal to 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. So how many parts are there now? There are 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts. Each part equal to 1 by 3 of the whole number. So algebraically, how we divide? First of all, we convert this divide sign into multiplication. Then we find the reciprocal of 1 upon 3, which is equal to 3 upon 1. So answer is 3. So this 3 mean 3 parts. This 3 mean 3 parts of the complete whole number. Now one more example we shall try to understand. Suppose the question is we want to divide 3 divide 1 by 4. So what is the meaning of this? Now we have 3 whole numbers. This is one whole number, this is second whole number, third whole number. Now 1 by 4 mean each whole is divided into 4 equal parts. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This complete whole again divided into 4 equal parts. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. This third whole number again divided into 4 equal parts. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So how many 1 by 4, how many parts are there now? Okay, how many parts are there now? They are counting them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that means 12 parts. Okay, so how to calculate this now? Here we write this 3 divide convert into multiplication. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 4? This is 4 upon 1. So answer is 3 into 4, 12. So this 12 mean 12 parts. So this way, this is the meaning of division of fractions. Now coming to the exercise 2.4, the very first question, part number 1 is 12 divide 3 by 4. 12 divide 3 by 4. So how to find the answer? First of all, this is equal to 12. Convert divide sign into multiplication. Write the reciprocal of 3 upon 4, which is 4 upon 3. Now if we can cancel them, then cancel out them. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So again we are writing here 4 into 4 upon 1. This means 4 into 4, 16 is the answer. Now coming to the next part. Next part is part number 2, which is 14 divide 5 upon 6. So how to solve now? This means 14 into 6 upon 5. So this is equal to 90 upon 5. So again we can divide 90 by, this is equal to 6 into 4, 24, 6 plus 2, 8, 84 upon 5. Now this is improper fraction, so we can divide 84 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 34. So we write it as 6 is to 4 upon 5. So this is the second part. Now coming to the third part of the question, 8 divide 7 upon 3. So this means 8 into 3 upon 7. This is equal to 8 into 3, 24 upon 7. Again dividing 24 divide 7, 7 3s are 21, 3. So answer is 3 is to 3 upon 7. 4 divide 8 upon 3. That means 4 into 3 upon 8. This is equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we can write it as 1 into 3 upon 2. So this is equal to 3 upon 2. This is improper fraction. So divide 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 1 is the remainder. So answer is 1 is to 1 upon 2. Our next part is part number 5. So what is this? 3 divide 2 is to 1 by 3. So how to write this now? This is equal to 3 into, first of all writing divide. So 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3. Next time we are converting the sign of division. 3 divide. It means what is the reciprocal of 7 upon 3? 3 upon 7. So multiplying 3 into 3, 9 upon 7. This is improper fraction. So divide here, 9 divide 7. 7 ones are 7 minus 2. So this is equal to 1 is to 2 upon 7. Now sixth part is 5 divide 3 is to 4 by 7. So how to solve this question? First of all, changing the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 4, 25 upon 7. Now converting this division sign into multiplication sign. So this reciprocal is 7 upon 25. Now we can cancel out. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. So we write this now equal to 1 into 7 upon 5. This is equal to 7 upon 5. So dividing 7 divide 5 mean 5 ones are 5. This is 2. So answer is 1 is to 2 upon 5. So this was our first question. Now we are coming to question number 2. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocals into proper fraction, improper fraction, whole number. So first part 3 upon 7, second part 5 upon 8, etc. So first of all, finding the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. So how to find the reciprocal? First of all, question number 2, given fractions are number 1 3 upon 7, number 2 5 upon 8, number 3 9 upon 7, 6 upon 5, 12 upon 7, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 11. Now reciprocals. Reciprocal fractions are number 1. What is the reciprocal of 3 upon 7? This is 7 upon 3. Reciprocal of 5 upon 8 is 8 upon 5. Reciprocal of 9 upon 7 is 7 upon 9. Reciprocal of 6 upon 5 is 5 upon 6. Reciprocal of 12 upon 7 is 7 upon 12. Reciprocal of 1 upon 8 is 8. Reciprocal of 1 upon 11 is 11. Now what is the next part? Number 1, A part, proper fractions. Proper fractions. Proper fraction mean numerator is less than denominator. So search the numbers, search the fractions. They are reciprocal fractions. So first of all, they are 7 upon 9, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 12. So what is the answer? Equal to third part 7 upon 9, fourth part 5 upon 6, fifth part 7 upon 12. And what is the answer of B part? Improper fraction mean numerator is greater than denominator. So first of all, this first part answer is 7 upon 3. Numerator is greater than denominator. This second part 8 upon 5. Any other number? No, there is no number. So what is the last now? Whole number. What is the meaning of whole number? In this part, whole numbers are, this 8 is whole number, this 11 is also whole number. Now coming to question number 3, find, first part is 7 upon 3 divide 2. So how to solve this? First of all, writing 7 upon 3 as it is, convert this divide sign, 2 mean 2 upon 1. Again next time 7 upon 3, convert this divide into multiplication. Reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is 1 upon 2. So what is the answer? 7 into 1 divide 3 into 2. That means 7 upon 6. So next part number 2 is 4 upon 9 divide 5. So this means this is equal to 4 upon 9 divide 5 upon 1. That means 4 upon 9 into reciprocal 1 upon 5. That is 4 into 1, 4, 9 into 5, 45. Our next part is part number 3. In this part we have 6 upon 13 divide 7. So we have now this is equal to 6 upon 13 divide writing 7 equal to 7 upon 1. This is equal to 6 upon 13 into reciprocal of 7 upon 1 is 1 upon 7. Now multiplying 6 into 1, 6, 13 into 7, 91. Now coming to next part. Part number 4. We have 4 is to 1 by 3 divide 3. So first of all, we write this as 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13 upon 3 divide 3 mean 3 upon 1. So this means 13 upon 3 divide is converted into multiplication. Reciprocal is 1 upon 3. So answer is 13 divide 9. Next part, part number 5. We have 3 is to 1 by 2 divide 4. So first of all, 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2 divide 4 mean 4 upon 1. Next 7 upon 2 multiply 1 upon 4. 4 upon 1 reciprocal is 1 upon 4. So 7 into 1, 7, 2 into 4, 8. Our next part is sixth part. What is this? This is equal to 4 is to 3 by 7 divide 7. So this means 4 into 7, 28 plus 3, 31 divide 7 divide 7 mean 7 upon 1. So this is equal to 31 upon 7 into 1 upon 7. So answer is 31 upon 49. Now coming to question number 4, first part, 2 upon 5 divide 1 by 2. This means 2 by 5 divide mean multiplication. 1 by 2 its reciprocal is 2 upon 1. So answer is 2 into 2, 4, 5 into 1, 5. Second part, 4 upon 9 as it is. Converting this divide into multiplication. Reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. Next we can cancel these numbers. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what is left now? 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 1. Answer is 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 1, 3. Next part, writing 3 upon 7 as it is. Convert divide into multiplication. Reciprocal of 8 upon 7 is 7 upon 8. Now this 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So what we can write? 3 upon 1 into 1 upon 8. 3 into 1, 3, 1 into 8, 8. Next part, 4, 2 is to 1 by 3 mean 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 upon 3 divide 3 upon 5 is equal to 7 upon 3. Converting divide sign into multiplication. Reciprocal of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3. Multiplying 7 into 5, 35. 3 into 3, 9. Fifth part, 3 is to 1 by 2 mean 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2 divide 8 upon 3. Next, 7 upon 2, convert this division into multiplication. Reciprocal of 8 upon 3, 3 upon 8. So now 7 into 3, 21. 2 into 8, 16. Sixth part, 2 upon 5 divide. This means 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2. Next is 2 upon 5. Convert divide into multiplication. Reciprocal is 2 upon 3. So how? 2 into 2, 4. 5 into 3, 15. Part number 7. 3 is to 1 by 5 mean 5 into 3, 15. 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5 divide. 1 is to 2 by 3 mean 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5 upon 3. Next we have 16 upon 5 as it is. Divide, convert into multiplication. 5 5 3, reciprocal is 3 upon 5. So what we do here? 16 into 3, 48. 5 into 5, 25. Next part, 2 is to 1 by 5 mean 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5 divide. 1 is to 1 by 5, 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6 upon 5. This is equal to 11 upon 5. Convert divide into multiplication. 6 upon 5 reciprocal, 5 upon 6. Now this is 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So we write now 11 upon 1 into 1 upon 6. So what is the answer? This is equal to 11 into 1, 11. 1 into 6, 6. This is improper fraction. So we can divide 11 divide by 6. 6 ones are 6. What is the remainder? 5. So we can write this equal to 1 is to 5 upon 6. This is the final answer. Thank you very much.